Hello viewers, I am Humaid Habib. Today I am going to discuss with you about a powerful feature of Microsoft Excel known as the fill handle. So let's begin. First of all, consider that you have been given an office chart named shifting schedule and you have been asked to complete it within few minutes. Now, how can we complete this within few minutes? The feature that will help us in this case is the fill handle. So just look at the cell now. A4 is the Dhaka. So I want to copy Dhaka from row 4 to row 17. So I will use the fill handle for this. I have touched the cell A4 and now touch it again, and here we see few options available now. Just move it left by touching it and select the option fill and drag it down to the row 17. Here we go. Nice. We have copied Dhaka from row 4 to row 17. Now in cell B4, record ID long R1001. In cell B5, I want R1002. In cell B3, B6, I want R1003. Like this, I mean a series of ID numbers. So just touch it again and touch here again, and here we go. We have just move it left and select the option fill and drag it down. Excellent, we have got a series of ID numbers. Now look at the date. The date format is in, month, day and year. Now select the fill option and fill it to the row 17, and we have got a series of dates. Now for days we will also get a series. Just look, here we go. Excellent. Now let's see what happens for hours. Select the option fill and drag it down just like before. This is interesting. For record ID we have got a series, for dates and days we have also got a series, but for hours we have got only copied numbers. Now shifting now or shift now. So I want a series here, like in cell F5 I want 2, in cell F6 I want 3, just like 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this, I mean a series. So if I touch it again and select the fill option and fill it down to the row 17, I will get just like copies of 1, but I told that I want series, so I am going to undo it. For making undo option, just look at the screen above and select the icon here. This is the undo option. So for making a series, just touch the cell and type here 2 and select the two cells simultaneously and fill it down to the row 17, and we have got a series. Now for cumulative hours I am writing here 16, and just like before we will select the two cells simultaneously and drag it down to the row 17, and we have got cumulative hours. Shift long is in series and we have also got a cumulative sums of hours. Excellent. Now here are few people here. I want to fill the empty cells for the shifting schedule. So let's select the cells to altogether and select the option fill and drag it down to the row 17. Nice. A powerful feature that has helped us to complete a chart within few minutes. But remember one thing, that in computer versions of Microsoft Excel, we will get a feature named autofill, and in mobile versions the autofill option has not been introduced yet. I hope that in further future it will be introduced in mobile versions too, because autofill option is very important for very large spreadsheets. If we deal with a large spreadsheet in mobile, it is not very efficient to drag it down to like raw 100 or 200. You have been given a very large spreadsheet like raw 4 to raw 1000 or 100. So if you try to complete it by mobile, then you have to drag it down to the raw 1000 or 100 or 200, blah blah. So this is not efficient and it will waste your time. So if we select the autofill option, then it will automatically fill up the rows that is given, like 100 rows here, so it will autofill the 100 rows automatically. But since the autofill option is not introduced yet in mobile version, so I suggest not to use large spreadsheets on mobiles. If you use fill handle. This is for today. Thank you.